Violin Mastery Online, transforming global violin education. In today's digital landscape, music education has found new avenues to reach students worldwide. Violin Mastery Online stands at the forefront of this educational revolution, offering comprehensive violin instruction that transcends geographical boundaries and traditional learning constraints. Founded by an instructor with over 30 years of experience and an impressive 100% passing rate across major examination boards including ABRSM, AMEB, and Trinity, Violin Mastery Online delivers structured weekly video lessons accessible to students of all ages. The platform's signature beginner program utilizes a Suzuki-based method, providing a clear pathway from absolute novice to confident performer. What truly distinguishes this platform is its unwavering commitment to accessibility. Through an innovative annual membership model and the unique Refer and Learn Free initiative, students can access a full year of high-quality violin training while fostering a global community of shared musical growth. This approach effectively addresses common barriers to musical education such as location limitations, scheduling conflicts, and prohibitive lesson costs. Beyond instruction, Violin Mastery Online embodies a philosophy of giving back. The platform allocates resources to community contributions, including relief donations during challenging times, while maintaining professional teaching standards. This combination of educational excellence and social responsibility creates an enriching environment where students receive personalized teacher support while participating in something greater than individual achievement. For aspiring violinists seeking quality instruction with flexibility and purpose, Violin Mastery Online offers a proven methodology delivered by a former concertmaster with experience in Singapore and Australia, bringing the joy of violin playing to homes across the globe.